Understanding low-key approach in English. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore a very interesting phrase, low-key approach. This phrase is common in both casual and formal English, and understanding it can really enhance your conversational skills. Let's dive in and unravel the meaning and usage of low-key approach. Low-key approach is a phrase composed of two parts, low-key and approach. Let's break them down. Low-key generally means something that is subdued, understated, or not very intense. It often refers to things that are done in a quiet, modest, or unobtrusive manner. Approach refers to a way of dealing with something or how you go about doing something. When combined, low-key approach refers to handling a situation, problem, or task in a manner that is understated, gentle, and not overly aggressive or flashy. It's always easier to understand a phrase when we see it in action. Here are some examples. 1. In a social setting, Alice prefers a low-key approach to celebrations. She likes small gatherings instead of big parties. 2. At work, our manager took a low-key approach to the new policy change, introducing it gradually to the team. 3. In personal style, he has a low-key approach to fashion, preferring simple and classic clothes over trendy ones. Each of these examples shows how a low-key approach can be applied in different scenarios. Understanding synonyms can help you better grasp the concept. Some synonyms for low-key approach include subtle method, understated manner, gentle strategy, low-profile tactic. These phrases carry a similar meaning and can be used interchangeably in many contexts. I hope this video helps you understand what low-key approach means and how you can use it in your everyday English. Remember, it's all about being subtle, gentle, and understated in your actions or methods. Keep practicing, and you'll be using phrases like this naturally in no time. See you in the next video.